Okay guys, I'm going to show you what I did with these chairs. I did the quickest recovery job you could possibly do. These chairs were peeling. They were like a white, fake leather. And I bought them thinking I was going to recover them, more extensively with leather and everything, but I didn't want to get that in depth. So I decided to go a different style anyway. And I wanted to clean them up so I could sell them. And these slip covers come on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. So these things fit really well, actually. They slip over really tight. And what you do is you just take the frame off. If you can see this, I'll tip this one up. They're like really pretty tight. And if you pull the frame off, as you can see under here, it's just 4 screws. If you see that screw there, 4 screws. And I re-stapled these covers on so that they would pull tight in the correct areas. You can see where I stapled them. So they have a stretchy drawstring, but you can make them fit even better if you staple them yourself and pull the frames off and wrap them all the way around, as you can see. I mean, they're real clean and white now, obviously. They used to be all peeling along here and a real mess. And they're darn close to perfect. It's hard to get this little piece like not to bunch up slightly. And the tops are not, they're pretty darn good. You can kind of press out some of this lumpiness. But they're clean and tight. So try it out. It's not bad. I'm going to try some stools next, and definitely a huge improvement. And someone's coming to look at them right now and buy them. We'll see if this works. I'll let you know after this or in the comments. So I'll put the link down below to these covers. You can get any color you want, so it's pretty handy. Talk to you later. I hope that helps. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.